Okay, students, here I am making videos for you again. All right, I wanted to recap on what we were discussing today in online, and I wanted to make the video so that you can pause it and take notes, and so that you have a really clear understanding about how to take the steps and what I'm expecting you to write down for your work. So let's do this. Here's my whiteboard. I'm going to talk you through dosages for today. So the doctor's order is amoxicillin, 350 milligrams. PO is the route, times 1 is the frequency. It's a one-time dose at the hospital or clinic. And then to go to your on hand, let's take a look at the label. Here's our label. I'm gonna make it a little bigger. So our label reads amoxicillin 600 milligrams per 5 mLs. So that's in each 5 milliliters poured out. This is a suspension that is to be given orally when reconstituted. Okay, and so you can pause it here and take note of this. Hopefully we'll go over all of the directions for mixing, because this is a really good label to read for reconstituting medication, but that's another topic for another day. So what we have on hand from that label is 600 milligrams. And the first thing we want to do is choose our formula. So as we stated earlier, D over H times Q equals X. That's the formula I'm choosing. And right next to it, I want to write let X equal number of milliliters. This is important. This is a step I think that you're forgetting. If X is the number of milliliters, then there's no need to write any other unit of measurement but milliliters. This tells me that it's liquid. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2, I'm going to set it up. My dosage is here. I'm going to take my 350. I'm going to divide it by what I have on hand. Oh, got to write that. Okay, I'm just carrying it down. Next step, if my units of measurement match, I can cancel them out. If not, I have to make them match. Okay. I also can cancel out one set of zeros here, and that's it. If I carry it down a little further, it's going to be 35 over 60 times 5 equals X. If I carry it down even further, I'm going to get 0.58 times 5 equals X. Okay. If I multiply these two, I'm going to get 2.9 equals X. Now, in that final answer, I'm going to carry it over here, and I'm going to write X equals, and yes, I'm going to go ahead and round it up. Actually, I'm not going to add a 0. I'm going to write 3. I'm going to carry it over, increase it by that. Make it 3. 3 what? 3 mLs. And I'm going to box it. is final answer. And that's what I'm going to pour out, because when I pour out 3 mLs, I'm going to give my patient 350 milligrams. If I poured out 5 mLs, I would be giving 600 milligrams. Right here. Okay? All right. Hope that helps. I'll be giving you some more later. Bye for now.